Welcome to the world of embroidery, where creativity meets precision. Today, we're diving into the PCM embroidery format. This format is quite special. It's a proprietary creation from a leader in the sewing and embroidery sector, PFAF. Now, PFAF isn't just any name in the industry, it's synonymous with quality and innovation, especially among those who weave magic on fabric. Introduced in the delightful decade of the 1990s, the PCM format, also known as the PFAF format for Mac computers, was a game-changer. It rapidly rose to fame with both embroidery hobbyists and seasoned professionals applauding its capabilities. What sets it apart is its expertise in producing exquisite designs, full of intricate details that make every stitch tell a story. So, what's the secret behind the PCM format's capabilities? It lies in its core as a binary format, where each piece of data is encoded using the digital language of ones and zeros. It's this language that embroidery machines understand and interpret as they bring designs to life. PCM files store all the crucial instructions for the machine, including various stitch types, lengths, and the precise color sequence needed to complete a stunning pattern on the fabric. One particular advantage of PCM is its efficiency in handling complex designs without demanding much file size. Through a process known as compression, the design data is neatly packed into a smaller, more manageable size. This smart packaging doesn't just save you precious storage space, but also simplifies the process of transferring these designs from one computer to another and ensures a smooth handover to the embroidery machine. Despite its clear benefits, the PCM format does have its specific constraints. It's bound by proprietary chains, which means only PFAF embroidery machines can decipher and execute these designs. This presents a compatibility issue with non-PFAF machinery. Furthermore, it hasn't quite kept up with certain advancements in the industry. For example, it doesn't support multi-head embroidery, a technique essential for tackling vast and ambitious embroidery projects efficiently. In response to evolving needs in technology, PFAF has not stood still. It introduced newer formats like VIP and VP3, which have enhanced features and enjoy broader compatibility with various embroidery machines. Nevertheless, PCM continues to be widely used and cherished within the PFAF community of machine owners. For those eager to embark on a project using the PCM format, some preparation is in order. You'll need specialized software, such as PFAF's 5D embroidery system, a powerful suite that enables you to craft, tweak, and ready your designs for the embroidering process. Of course, you'll also need a PFAF embroidery machine compatible with PCM, like the esteemed PFAF Creative Vision, renowned for its precision and reliability. In summing up, PCM embroidery format's legacy within the embroidery sphere is undeniable. It remains a beacon of quality and trusted efficiency within the PFAF user base. While there may be certain limitations, the format continues to enable the creation of magnificent designs. As the embroidery landscape advances, we look forward to the future of this craft. Emerging formats and technologies will surely sculpt new possibilities, but PCM will forever retain an enduring legacy and significant place in embroidery's ever-unfolding narrative. If you enjoyed this video, then please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Embrocraft has an embroidery design store on Etsy. If you need any designs for your next project, you'll find a link to the store in the video description. Thanks for watching.